Hello friends, today we start a new series, online tutorials on English grammar. So this is our first class. Now what I am intending to do is to make English grammar simple for you. Very, very simple for you. See your sentences now, when you start speaking English, you make sentences like this. What is it? This is book. That is table. This is window. He is boy. She is girl. It is toy. Toy. Simple sentences. You start speaking English like this. Your English begins like this. Isn't it? Or do you start with complex sentences? I have seen a boy who was playing in the garden and no, like this. And then in between, automatic. It's an automatic action. You say, in English we don't say this is book. Then how will you say? You say this is a book. A book, a table, a window, a boy, a girl, a toy. And what is this A? So actually it is a. See, you can pronounce it in two ways. One is a, the other is a. The two pronunciations are there. One is a, infinitive script you write like this. The other is a. And a. This is, as you know, this is unstressed, not stressed. The other one is a. If you want to say, this is a boy, or a book, you can do it. But don't worry about the pronunciation as such. Now you know what is this. See? What is is a, you know you call it an article. Article is an article. Article, A-R-T-C-L. Article. Now what is the meaning? One. This means one. What does it tell you? It tells you that something you know in general. You know you know, this is the K-N-O-W, you know in general. Or identify, if you want a big word, identify. Identity card, How do we know you? By looking at your identity card, right? So you know in general, or you know generally. See, when you say, this is a book, this is a book, what do you know? Something you are saying that this is not a dog. Did you get that point? That is what is meant by saying knowing generally. This is that thing, not any other thing. That's the meaning. What do you say, sir? This is book. This is book. Now this is peculiar about English. Many languages don't have this. Today we are only thinking about this one letter word. Told you what is it? It is an article. It means one. It tells you something that we know in general or generally. That's all. Only three things. And this is a must in English. Where you can see, what is this? Noun. Table, noun. Window, noun. Noun, Noun. In every language you have got noun. And now you have noun. Isn't it? Noun. So, window, boy, girl, toy. So, whenever you use a noun, just before that, you should use a. See? Noun means a name of a thing, name of a person, name of a country. Noun means name. Name of a game, name of a language, name of a river, name of a tree, name of mountain, name of animals, all animals, bird, name of days, Monday, Sunday, names. So, noun simply means name. Name. So, is that clear to you? Whenever you use a name, then you have to use a before it. What is the beginning of a? One. Therefore, if you are speaking about one, you should use a. Look at that. Two, don't use a. Three, don't use a. More than one, never use a. For example, you cannot say a books. That's wrong. Why? Because a means one. So you cannot say one books. That you cannot say. You cannot say. Understand? So what did I tell you today? Simple things. That is, I told you, a is an article. A is an article. A means one. A tells you that you have some knowledge about it, general knowledge about it. A tells you, you have some general knowledge about it. Book. General knowledge book means it is not a mirror or it is not a pen. So you know general knowledge. And then you know, since a is one, you can use it before a noun. What is a noun? Noun is name. So why do you say, why can't you say a books? A books means more than one. So you cannot use. More than one you cannot use it. Because what is the meaning of this? One. So you cannot say one books, you cannot say one tables, one windows, a boys, a girls, a toys, you cannot say. That's not possible. Is that clear? Okay. So far it is very nice. I think this is enough for today. Now what should you do? You should go on making simple sentences like this. You go home today and then say, you look around your room or your house and you can say, this is a tree, that is a flower, this is a table, that is a book, then this is a fan, that is a bulb, this is a window, that is a door, this is a shirt, that is a sari, this is a cup, that is a spoon, like that. Okay, so only one point today. So I was talking all this while about this word ever. See, once more, a means one. Then a is an article. You call it an article. Then a tell you general knowledge. Your general knowledge about that thing. Isn't it? A used before noun. Before a noun. Before a noun. One noun. A used before one noun. Not two nouns. One noun. A noun, name. Noun means name, simply. That's all. So this is all what I have said. Then I have asked you to make as many sentences as possible. Like, this is a book, that is a table, this is a cat, that's a dog, this is a bird, that is a book, this is a door we have done, that is a window, this is a shirt, that is a fan, this is a bird, that is a picture, this is a clock, that is a wash basin, big word, so small words. This is a ball, this is a pen, that's a book, and so on. Just make. Can we make 100 sentences? If we can make 100 sentences, great. Bye.